Transforming ordinary text, element, or shape into unique piece of art is at the core of MagicMorph. In this lesson, we will go over how to use MagicMorph feature to enhance the elements of your design. To kick things off, scroll to the App section and search for MagicMorph. Then select the MagicMorph option. Once you are in the MagicMorph, you can either select an existing element from your design or even insert a sample one to experiment with this feature. You may choose between text, a simple graphic, or a shape. In our case, we will be going to choose an element from the previously provided exercise file. Next, you will be prompted to define the transformation you desire for your selected element. The more detail you can provide, like an object, color, pattern, or surroundings, the better. Also, to ensure the optimal results, your descriptions must be instructive and more detailed. For instance, our description will be: fill it with clusters of flowers with a detailed leafy background. This will provide the AI with enough information on how to approach the morph. The last step is to hit the MagicMorph button, which will transfer your existing or your current element into something quite unique piece of work. This feature of MagicMorph works best with heavier shape and text, and is quite useful from transforming or converting your simple and ordinary text elements into a modern look and unique piece of work. Alright, I will see you in the next lecture.